Welcome to my educational channel, Math Classes 7-8 CBSE by GK Pillai. Fundamentals of the chapter, Expressions Using Letter-Numbers, were explained in detail in my first video. This is my second video containing answers to the textbook questions and exam-oriented practice questions. Subscribe to my channel and encourage others also to do so. My videos are very useful to the students of classes 7, 8, 9 and 10 CBSE. The chapter name is Expressions Using Letter-Numbers. Actually it is on algebraic expressions. Algebraic expressions are formed using variables or letter numbers and constants. We use the operations of addition, subtraction, multiplication and division on the variables and constants to form the expressions. I mean algebraic expressions. Here is a typical example, 5pq plus 3. 5 and 3 are constants, p and q are variables. There is a addition sign in between. So the constant 5 and the variables p and q are multiplied to give the product or the term 5pq, and constant 3 is added. This way we get the algebraic. This is a very small, very simple algebraic expression. We will be doing many things on this. These questions are from Figure It Out category on page number 84 of the textbook. The first one, write formulas for the perimeter of triangle with all sides equal. 3a, 3 into side. If you keep side to be a, then it will be 3a. Regular pentagon 5a, regular hexagon 6a. These are very simple formulas only. Now question number 3. What is the total amount Kritika has if she has the following numbers of notes: 100, rupees 20 and rupees 5? Write expressions for the total amount Kritika has. Rupees 100 notes 8, rupees 20 notes 4 and rupees 5 notes Z. They are not giving any numbers here. So the value of the notes will be 8 into 100 plus 4 into 20 plus 5 into Z. Here there are no variables, so that is why we have added. This is 800 and this is 80 and this is 5Z. So it will be rupees 880 plus 5Z. The next one, rupee 100 notes X, rupees 20 notes Y and rupees 5 notes Z. So X into 100 plus Y into 20 plus Z into 5. Here everywhere variables are there. So that is why we have written as 100X plus 20Y plus 5Z. We have not calculated further. The next one, Venkata Lakshmi owns a flour mill. It takes 10 seconds for the roller mill to start running. Once it is running, each kilogram of grain takes 8 seconds to grind into powder. Which of the following expressions below describes the time taken to complete grind Y kg of grain, assuming the machine is off initially? So the correct answer is this one, 10 plus 8 into Y. Why 10 plus 8 into Y? Initially it takes 10 seconds to start. So we have to consider that particular 10 seconds. After that, if there are Y kg of grains, then 8 into Y will be the time taken for grinding the Y kg of grains. So your final answer should be 10 plus 8 into Y. Write algebraic expressions using letters of your choice. You can use any variable. 5 more than a number x plus 5, 4 less than a number x minus 4, 2 less than 13 times a number 13 y minus 2, and 13 less than 2 times a number 2x minus 13. These are very simple things. Describe situations corresponding to the following algebraic expressions. This is just opposite to this. You have to guess what it is. 8 into x plus 3 into y. You may decide something else also. 8 times the price of a pen added to 3 times the price of a pencil. The next one, 15 into j minus 2 into k. 2 times the age of a father subtracted from 15 times the age of the daughter. So j will be 15 into j will be the age of the daughter, and 2 into k will be the age of the father. I have 2 pages containing this type of questions. The reason is your present book is giving importance to such type of questions. Mind the mistake, mend the mistake. Find the mistakes here, and also you have to change it. If a equal to minus 4, then 10 minus a is 6. Actually 10 minus a will be 10 minus minus 4, because the value of a is minus 4. 10 minus minus 4, 10 plus 4, 14, and not 6. If d equal to 6, then 3d equal to 36. This is a very simple thing. 3d will be 3 into 6, 18. If s equal to 7, 3s minus 2 equal to 15. 3s minus 2 will be actually 3 into 7 minus 2, 21 minus 2, 19. These are all casual mistakes. If r equal to 8, then 2r plus 1 is 29. 2r plus 1 will be actually 2 into 8 plus 1, 16 plus 1, 17. If m equal to minus 6, then 3 into m plus 1 will be 19. Actually, it will be 3 into m plus 1 will be 3 bracket minus 6 plus 1 within the bracket. That will be minus 5. So 3 into minus 5 equal to minus 15. If f equal to 3 and g equal to 1, then 2f minus 2g will be 2. Actually, it will be 2f minus 2g equal to 2 into 3 minus 2 into 1, 6 minus 2, 4. And it is not 2. T equal to 4, b equal to 3, then 2 into 2t plus b equal to 24. Actually, it will be 2 into 4, 8 plus 3, 8 plus 3 will be 11, not 24. The next one, if h equal to 5 and n equal to 6, then h minus 3 minus n equal to 4. Here h minus 3 minus n will be 5 minus within bracket 3 minus 6. So 5 minus, it will be minus 3. Minus into minus will be plus 3. 5 plus 3 will be 8. You may be thinking these are all very minor things. Normally we don't do such kind of mistakes, but there are many. I have seen many students making mistakes, particularly when it comes to having a minus outside and some other reasons. This is a textbook example. Why I am discussing this? The simple reason is, in the textbook it is discussed elaborately. I thought of discussing it briefly. That is the reason why I have included in my video. Charu had been through 3 rounds of a quiz. Her scores in the 3 rounds are 7p minus 3q, 8p minus 4q, and 6p minus 2q. Here p represents the score for the correct answer, p equal to 4, and q represents the penalty for incorrect answer, q equal to 1. Find Charu's score in the first round and what is her final score after the 3 rounds. The first round, Charu's score will be 7p minus 3q. Substitute the values of 4 and 1 in the place of p and q. We get 25. That is the Charu's score in the first round. Her final score will be, we have to add all the 3, then remove the brackets, combine the like terms, you get like this. That will be 21p minus 9q. Now the actual score will be, in the place of p and q, substitute 4 and 1 and simplify, you will get 75. That will be the final score of Charu. Now figure it out on page number 93. you will see many circles where different numbers are marked. For example, variables 5y, x, minus x plus 2, and many things are marked there. And we have to add the numbers in each of the given picture. Question number 1, 2 into 5y plus 2 into x minus 6 plus 2. These are the values given in the circles. When you add them, your answer will be 2x plus 10y minus 4. In the next question, in the rounds, in the circles, you will find this type of values. 2p, 3q, minus 2 and 3. So when you multiply this way, there will be 4 2p's, 4 3q's, 2 minus 2's and 2 3's. So that way, that is why it is written like this. Now you expand, simplify, and you will get the value of 8p plus 12q plus 2. In the last one, you can separate it into two parts, the upper part and the lower part. Because in the upper part, whatever are there, the same thing is repeated at the bottom part. You find that upper part and then multiply by 2. 6 into 4k plus 2 into minus 5g into 2. That will give you 48k minus 20g. You can find different ways also. Definitely you can find the same value using different values also, different ways. Question number 2, simplify each of the following expressions. This is not something which I should discuss. These are the easiest things. Let me go for the next one rather than discussing this one. This you can understand very easily. Now this one, once again it is mind the mistake and mend the mistake. So in the first column, these two columns are given in the textbook and this is not given. So in the first column, these things are given. Let me read this. 3a plus 2b. The simplest form is 5 here, which is wrong. You cannot do anything. It will be 3a plus 2b only. Next one, 3b minus 2b minus b. Minus 2b minus b will make minus 3b. So 3b minus 3b will be 0. And here also 0 is given. Next, 6 into p plus 2. Here it is given as 6p plus 8, which is wrong. It will be 6p plus 12. 6 into p and 6 into 2. Next one, 4x plus 3y minus 3x plus 4y. When you open the bracket and simplify, you will get 4x minus 3x. That will be x. And 3y minus 4y will be minus y. So the answer is not x plus y, it will be x minus y. 5 minus 2 minus 6z, when you open the bracket, this will become minus 2 and this will be plus 6z. When simplified, you will get 3 plus 6z. Here 2 plus x plus 3, there is no minus signs. So you can simply, it will be, when you open the bracket, it will be x plus 5. Here it is given as 2x minus 6, which is wrong. The next one, 2y bracket plus bracket 3y minus 6. When you open the bracket and simplify, it will be 5y minus 6 and not minus y plus 6. The next one, 7p minus p plus 6q minus 2q. When you combine these two, it will be 6p. And when you combine these two, it will be 3q. The next one, 5 into 2w plus 3x plus 4w. When you multiply, you will get 10w. And here 5 into 4, 20w. So that is why when you add them, you will get 30w. And 5 into 3, 15x. This is wrong. Now the next one, 4 into 10 is left out. 10 is a very easy one. 4 into 2r plus 3s plus 5. When you expand, it will be 8r plus 12s plus 20. Here there are many minus signs. Here there is no minus signs at all. So this is the correct answer. Now these are all figure it out questions. The questions are very long, But the answer is very simple. Answer is very simple, but the questions are very long. Find suitable expressions for the following questions. One plate of jawar roti costs rupees 30 and one plate of pulao costs rupees 20. If X plates of jawar roti and Y plates of pulao were ordered in a day, which expression or expressions describe the total amount in rupees to be paid? It is actually 30 into X only. The cost plus the number of plates, 30X, and the other one will be 20Y as far as the pulao is concerned. The next one, Pushpita sells two types of flowers on Independence Day, champak and marigold. P customers only bought champak, Q customers only bought marigold, and R customers bought both. It's very simple. It is P plus Q plus R only, but some more explanation. On the same day, she gave away a tiny national flag to every customer. This is just faltu. This is not an important sentence. How many flags did she give away that day? It is P plus Q plus R only. Here, question number 3. A snail is trying to climb along the wall of a deep well. During the day, it climbs up U centimeter, and during the night it slowly slips down D centimeter. This happens for 10 days and 10 nights. Write an expression describing how far away the snail is from its standing position. It is 10 into U minus D. U is the distance climbed, D is the distance which comes down. So you have to multiply by 10 only. Radha is preparing for a cycling race and practices daily. The first week she cycles 5 km every day. Every week she increases the daily distance cycled by Z kilometer. How many kilometers would Radha have cycled after 3 weeks? It is 7 into 5 in the first week, 7 into 5 plus Z in the second week, and 7 into 5 plus 2Z in the third week. The next one, a local train from Yahapur to Wahapur stops at 3 stations at equal distances along the way. The time taken in minutes to travel from one station to the next station is the same and is denoted by T. The train stops for 2 minutes at each of these stations. If T equal to 4, what is the time taken to travel from Yahapur to Wahapur? That will be 3T plus 6 only. Why this 6? It stops for 2 minutes at 3 stations. 2 into 3 will be 6. There are 3 stations, that is why it will be 3 into T. Your answer is 3T plus 6. When you substitute 4 in the place of T, it will be 18. And the next one, T equal to 4 is given here. What is the algebraic expression for the time taken to travel from Yahapur to Wahapur? It is the same thing, 3T plus 6 only. The next one is adding and subtracting algebraic expressions. I am giving here less number of questions from the textbook because I have included some of the questions in my first video itself. In the practice part, I am giving more sums. Add the following: minus 6F plus 19 minus 8S and minus 23 plus 13F plus 12S. Write the things first. After that, you can remove this bracket. You will get like this. And now you can combine the like terms. Minus 6F plus 13F minus 8S plus 12S, and this will be 19 minus 23. When you can take the common things like this, and your final answer will be 7F plus 4S minus 4. Even if you don't write this, you can do straight away from here. You can write the answer like this, but this will be better You will be able to do the things without any mistakes. The next one, minus 26m plus 24n and 26m minus 24n. It's a very simple one. Here there is a minus 26m, here there is plus 24n, here it is minus. Naturally your final answer will be 0 only. Now subtract the first expression from the second. So this from this. So first you write this, put a minus sign and write this one in the bracket. Open the bracket, changing the signs. Now you combine the like terms, minus 3x minus 10x, minus 3y minus 10y, and these two numerals. Now when simplified, it will be minus 13x minus 13y plus 6. Here 17g plus 9 minus 7h from 11 minus 10g plus 3h. Write this first, put a minus sign and write this one. Open the bracket, change the signs. Now you combine the like terms. Minus 10g minus 17g plus 3h plus 7h plus 11 and minus 9. So when you combine like this, it will be minus 27g plus 10h plus 2. These are another set of questions which are definitely easy only. Describe situations corresponding to the following algebraic expression: 8x plus 3y. A boy bought 8 pens at the rate of rupees 8. I am just writing this. You can have if you can imagine something else, you can write according to that. A boy bought 8 pens at the rate of rupees 8 and 3 pencils at the rate of rupees y. Look at the given matchstick pattern. Observe and identify the pattern. How many matchsticks are required to make 10 such squares? How many are required to make W squares? The first answer is 4 plus 9 into 3. Here it is 10. So 10 minus 1 will be 9. 9 into 3. At each stage you have to add 3 more sticks. That is the reason. So the answer is 21. But the algebraic expression will be 4 plus 3 into W minus 1. That is what I have done here. 3 into W minus 1. W minus 1 is 9 here. Observe the given pattern. How many squares will be there in step 4, step 10, step 50, and write the general formula. The general formula is 1 plus 4n, and n is the number of steps. So fourth step means 1 plus 4 into 4, 17. 10th step means 1 plus 10 into 4, 41. And step 50, 1 plus 50 into 4, 201. Now we will have some practice questions. Once again, the same type of algebraic expressions. Here all are for simplifying. Simplifying means combine the like terms and simplify it. These are very easy things only, but I have seen many of you making mistakes. 8x plus 3y minus 4, 7x minus 5y minus 4x plus 6. When you combine the like terms, it will be 8x plus 7x minus 4x plus 3y minus 5y minus 4 plus 6, and the final answer is this. Here it is bit different. 5 into 4p minus 7 cube plus 18 minus 9p minus 4 cube minus 1. Open the bracket and simplify. Your final answer will be 11p minus 39 cube plus 17. Here once again there is a minus sign here. 7a minus 6b minus bracket 5a minus 4 plus 22. When you open the bracket, it will be minus 5a plus 4. That will be 7a minus 5a minus 6b plus 26. And when you simplify, it will be 2a minus 6b plus 26. Another one. 5 into 2x minus 5y minus 4z minus 4z minus 15. When you do like this, it will be 10x minus 25y. 5 you have to multiply all the 3. Minus 25y minus 20z. And this will be once again these two. When you combine the like terms and simplify, it will be 10x minus 25y minus 24z minus 15. Add these three. These questions are from previous textbook and some other sources. So there is a likelihood of these questions being asked in the school exams. That is the reason why these are there in my videos. 2 into p minus q plus 3 into q minus r plus 4 into r minus p. Open the bracket by multiplying by 2, 3 and 4 and simplify. You will get minus 2p plus q plus r. Another one, add 3 into z minus x minus y and 7 into z minus y minus x. Write it like this. Open the bracket. There is no minus sign here, so opening is not difficult. Then combine the like terms. Your final answer will be minus 10x minus 10y plus 10z. Definitely there are chances of making mistakes in this type of sums. So be careful and you have to be very careful in adding this. Another one. Add this, this and this. Write the first one first, second here and put a plus sign and write these things within the bracket. You don't have to change the sign. You just remove the bracket and write it as it is. Then you combine the like terms and simplify. I have written that way only, x. So your answer will be like this. Subtract this from this. These are a bit long expressions. Write this first, put a minus sign and write this, open the bracket, change the signs everywhere, and now you can simplify it like this. Your final answer will be 8a plus 2b minus 2ab and minus 15. Subtract this from this. Here also we are multiplying this term by this algebraic expression by 3 and this one by 4. So write this way, minus 4 into this. Open the bracket, it will be minus 4l plus 16m and minus 20n. Now you combine the like terms. Minus 9m plus 16m plus 30n minus 20n plus 6l minus 4l. So your final answer will be 7m plus 10m n minus 7m plus 10n plus 2l. This is a bit pretty long thing, but this is definitely an important question. Because when you look at this question itself, you will be getting confused. So you have to keep yourself cool while doing this type of questions. First of all, we will write this. 4 into minus a plus b plus c. Then put a minus sign, put a square bracket and write everything. Now what you should do, keep multiply by 4 these three terms, but here don't open the bracket. You simplify this within the bracket only. 3a plus 3b plus 3c minus 2a plus 2b minus 2c. Combine the like terms or open, otherwise you can open the bracket also. Open the bracket, change the signs. Now you combine the like terms. These three are a, these three are b and these three are c. When you simplify this, your final answer will be minus 5a minus b and plus 3c. This type of questions I have discussed earlier in the video, in this video itself. These are a bit different as compared to that. Find and correct the errors in the following mathematical statements. 4 into x minus 5 is equal to 4x minus 5. It's actually 4x minus 20. You have to multiply by 4 both the terms. The next one, x into 3x plus 2, 3x squared plus 2. You have to multiply these 2 with x also. So your answer will be 3x squared plus 2x. 2x plus 3y equal to 5xy. That's wrong. It will remain as it is. X plus 2x plus 3x equal to 5x. No, it is 6x. Many students make a mistake. This x will be 1x only. So your answer will be 6x and not 5x. 5y plus 2y plus 7y minus 7y equal to 0. The same kind of mistake. If you consider this as 1, it will be 8y minus 7y equal to y. The next one, 3x plus 2x equal to 5x squared. It is 5x only. 3x plus 2x will be 5x only. The next one, 2x whole squared plus 4 into 2x plus 7 is equal to 2x squared plus 8x plus 7. Here the only mistake you are making is 2x whole squared will be 4x squared. So your answer will be 4x squared plus 8x plus 7. The next one, 2x whole squared plus 5x equal to 4x plus 5x, and it is equal to 9x. 2x whole squared is 4x squared and 5x will remain as 5x only. So this is not the correct answer. So that is the end of my present video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and also press the like button to show that you like this video.